Hare Krishna. So, yesterday we saw how everyone present on the Kaurava army encouraged grandsire Bhishma by blowing their own musical instruments. And that brings us to the most important point of Bhagavad Gita, which shows us the entry of Lord Krishna. The 14th shloka of the first chapter, which goes, ततः श्वेतैर्हयैर्युक्तै महती स्यन्दने स्थितौ माधवः पाण्डवश्चैव दिव्यौ शङ्खौ प्रदध्मतुः. So as all the people in Kaurava army began to sound their musical instruments and conch shells, we have here Madhava and Pandava. They all also started blowing their conch shells. Divyau Shankhau Pradatmatu. But unlike the previous verses wherein the Kauravas' Shankhas are described to be ordinary, here the Pandavas' conch shells and Lord Krishna's conch shell are described to be Divya or celestial, which means not ordinary. Also, it signifies the entrance of Lord Krishna in Bhagavad Gita. The beautiful point of this entry is the way Krishna takes mention. How is Krishna mentioned? Shveter Hayair Yuktai Mahati Syandane Sthitau. He was placed as the chariot driver of a great chariot which had white horses which were yoked to the chariot. This chariot is also described as Divya because it was gifted by Agni and it was empowered to conquer in all directions whichever they went. So the chariot is also very special. The chariot driver is also very special. He is Madhava. Madhava means the husband of the goddess of fortune, which also indicates that the victory is going to be towards the Pandava side. The chariot is special, the chariot driver is special, and their conch shells are also very special. The most important point of this introduction is Krishna is being chosen as a chariot driver. Traditionally, we will see in any Bollywood movie or any cinema or in any novel where the hero of a movie is introduced, usually we will see him coming from a brand new car. He's stepping and the focus goes on his feet, and then he's seen coming out just the feet, and he goes on a staircase, tack, 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 tack. Then he opens a door, and then he's about to enter a meeting, and then the entire camera goes up to show his face. So this is how traditional heroes are shown in any movie. Just the contrast to this is Krishna's introduction. What is Krishna being introduced as? As a chariot driver. In the previous times, when there was wars being fought, everyone was throwing arrows, somebody was getting hurt, somebody was getting killed, and it was chaos everywhere. So how would a warrior signal to the chariot driver which way to move and how fast to move? It was all done through footwork. The Rathi or the warrior would kick the charioteer or Sarathi with his foot on his waist. If the kick was on the left side of the Sarathi's waist, the Sarathi knew it was an indication, turn left. If the kick was towards the right side of Sarathi's waist, it was an indication to the Sarathi, turn right. And if the kick was in the center of the backbone of the Sarathi, the indication was go straight. What does this mean? Entire 18 days of Mahabharata war, Krishna was continuously taking the kicks of his beloved disciple and friend Arjuna. This is the Bhakta Vatsalya of Lord Krishna. For his devotees' sake, he is ready to forego anything and everything, and he is ready to become a simple charioteer, ready to take the kicks of his great devotee. Contrast this with the way Karna behaved. Karna also is a very important warrior in Kaurava's army. But when Bhishma insulted Karna by saying that he is an Ardharathi, Karna took a vow, unless Bhishma is there on the battlefield, I will not put my foot there. So here Karna, although being glorified as a great friend, but Karna brings in his personal enmity over the way he has to benefit his friend Duryodhana in this great fratricidal war. And exactly opposite is Krishna, who is being addressed as Madhav, the husband of the goddess of fortune. But this husband of the goddess of fortune is going to take kicks of his great devotee for coming 18 days. This is the glory of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Krishna, and his Bhakta Vatsalya.